Hello guys! Welcome back again to Digital Era. For today's video ay tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano ma-fully verified ang inyong account sa Gcash. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to be updated on my next video. Open lang po natin yung ating Gcash app. And from here, enter the PIN number. Okay. On the upper left corner. And then tap on Verify Now. So, ipapakita ko po muna sa inyo yung process if ever po na meron po kayong mga valid ID. So, it takes only 3 minutes to complete the form. So, take ID photo, scan face, and fill information. And then, click the Get Verified. Okay, ito po yung mga recommended ID. Ito po yung mga UMID ID, driver's license, PhilHealth card, SSS ID, passport, and voter's ID. Meron din po tayong mga other ID dito na recommended like immigrant COR, government ID, pag-ibig ID, postal ID, and PRC ID. Okay, since may PhilHealth card po ako, ito po muna yung gagamitin ko. But I am unemployed po for how many years na. Okay, click lang po natin yung PhilHealth. Okay, then itapat po natin yung ating ID. So, picturean po natin and pag okay na po, click lang po natin yung Submit. So, next po, take a photo of yourself. Itapat lang po natin yung ating mukha sa camera. And then, pag okay na po, click po natin yung Next. Okay, scanning. So, blink-blink lang po natin yung ating eyes as stated on the instructions. Okay. So, dito naman po tayo sa fill information. So, i-complete lang po natin yung mga information na nire-required nila. Okay? So, pag okay na po ang lahat, click po natin yung next. And, review po natin ulit yung information. Then, click confirm. Okay, application submitted. Please allow us 24 hours to review your application. You will be notified via SMS. We appreciate your patience and understanding. So, ang gagawin po natin ay mag-go back po tayo. Punta po tayo sa 3 horizontal line located on the upper left corner. And then from here, click po yung help. And click po natin yung chat with us. Okay, so what's your concern? Concern topic. So, mamimili lang po tayo sa list. And how can we help you? Please provide as much detail as possible about your issues. Okay, so type lang po tayo. Type ko po dito, I want my account to be fully verified ASAP. Okay? So, pag okay na po, click lang po natin yung Start Chat. Okay, as you can see here, number 38 po tayo sa queue. Okay, so mag-antay lang po tayo ng representative na mag-a-assist po sa atin. Okay, so ayan. Nag-reply na po si Miss Andrea. So, makipag-chat na lang po tayo dito sa kanya regarding po sa ating concern. Okay, so according po sa representative, if ever na wala po kayong mga valid ID or expired na po yung mga ID nyo, if ever na estudyante po kayo, pwede po yung student ID, and then pwede rin po yung barangay ID or your postal ID. Alright guys, so while we are chatting with Miss Andrea, don't forget also to support my like account at Digital Era, and don't worry guys, I will follow you back. Okay, so habang ka-chat ko po si Miss Andrea, nag-go back po ako sa aking account and I do found out na fully verified na po yung aking account in just 4 minutes po. So, ganun lang po kabilis. Okay, so ganun guys. Pag wala po kayong mga valid ID or expired na po yung mga ID nyo, pwede po yung kumuha kayo ng barangay ID, student ID if ever student po kayo, or postal ID. Okay? So guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions, suggestions, recommendations regarding this video, feel free to send me a message down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Agyaman ako.